Clients usually ask me what they should add to their routine, but really, they should cut products from it immediately. The truth is, a bunch of hair products actually make your hair worse. And odds are, some of those are sitting by your sink right now. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 of the worst culprits so you can avoid them and finally get the hair you've always wanted. The first one is Color Wow Texas Hold'em Hairspray. A lot of my clients use hairspray on a daily basis and have no idea that it's secretly wrecking their hair. And Color Wow's Texas Hold'em is the worst of the worst. The name sounds fun, but what it does to your hair, definitely not fun. I have a client that we'll call Sabrina. She just joined a sorority and suddenly she had a calendar full of social events that she needed her hair to look good for. She wanted to step her hair game up and she kept seeing this Texas Hold'em on Instagram, so she bought it and started using it in her routine. And that is when things started going downhill. Texas Hold'em is extremely intense. It turns your hair into concrete. And if you grew up in the 80s, that might sound nostalgic, but here's why it's awful. After a few months, Sabrina lost over an inch of hair length and was dealing with serious breakage. The reason for that is she used this hairspray every night before she went out, which left her hair crunchy and tacky by morning.
A rat's nest.
So when she woke up, she had to wash her hair to get it feeling normal again. But that night, she would use the hairspray again and just start the cycle all over. Her hair got 0 rest, 0 recovery, and without that, it didn't stand a chance, because here's what washing daily does to your hair. Every wash strips moisture. Less moisture means drier hair. Dry hair is brittle, which breaks, especially at the ends. Everyone likes to think that their damage is coming from heat styling, but in my salon, 90% of the damage that I see here is actually caused by dryness. Let me show you what happens when your hair does have time to recover between washes. After the first wash, you lose a little moisture. There's no way around that. It's totally fine. But after you apply your daily oil to your mids and ends, that restores your moisture levels. On day 2, you apply your daily oil again and moisture levels go up again. Same thing happens on day 3, and by the next wash, your hair has fully recovered its moisture and got some to spare. You may be thinking, daily oil, what's daily oil? If you're not doing it already, it's time for you to start. Daily oil is mandatory for healthy hair. Step 3 of the Trinity routine. Do not skip it unless you enjoy breakage. A bottle like this will last you about 6 months. It's the easiest thing in the world. So back to Sabrina. She stopped using the Texas Hold'em and her hair began to recover its moisture, regain its strength, and the breakage stopped. Today, she's got her length back plus a little bit extra, all because she just stopped using the Color Wow Texas Hold'em as often. She still uses hairspray once a month for really special occasions, but it's not Texas Hold'em anymore. I got her on Redken's Control Addict 28. Same hold, way less weight, so you can go days between washes. So please, cut this product from your hair routine immediately. Next is Kerastase Nutritive 8-Hour Magic Night Serum for dry hair. This product is blowing up on social media right now. People are saying that it's a miracle, but is there a massive downside in the long run? Foreshadowing. Well, I'll tell you up front, anything with magic in the name should have you immediately suspicious. Magic always comes with a price.
And a big one at that.
You're supposed to put this product on dry hair at night. It promises to give deep nutrition that makes your hair softer, shinier, and stronger. Sounds pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, I was excited.
Well, here's what they don't tell you. This wasn't created because they discovered it works beautifully overnight. There was no breakthrough by some caring hair scientist in a lab. This was actually created in a boardroom. And this product wasn't even actually made to give you better hair. It was made so these men in suits could purchase more yachts. This has nothing to do with getting you better results. They're looking for new product categories that they can sell you on because they're already selling you shampoo. They're already selling you styling products. So what's left? New categories like nighttime hair products. Suddenly, they're yelling at you from their yacht, wait, you aren't moisturizing in your sleep? Oh no, you're definitely missing out. And now you feel like your hair routine has this new gap that you need to fill. A gap that they invented out of thin air. So now you're buying a $60 bottle that lives next to your hair oil, and guess what? It does less. Let's break this down. Your hair does need moisture to stay healthy. It's the #1 form of nourishment. And hair oil provides exactly that. With this serum, it's almost all silicones and no moisture. So your hair might seem a little softer on the outside, but underneath it's still dry, brittle, and breaking off. This is like a hot dog with no bun, a burger without a patty. It's just like a shiny bun with no substance. Your hair does not need both a hair oil and a serum like this. Hair oil does everything this does and way more, and it's way faster because you don't have to wait all night. Leslie was brave enough to try this magic product on her own hair. She left it on all night, and when she opened the salon in the morning and saw all of our stylists, she asked them if they could tell a difference, and they said,
No, it looks just like your hair normally does.
Exact same. If you're already using hair oil daily, you're good to go. But if not, you can use my recommended product list in the description to find one that matches your hair type exactly. Skip the overpriced magic serum. Keep your money, keep your moisture. Tell those yacht guys to get the heck out of here. Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. This is one of the most popular shampoos in America. Now, let's think this through together. Olaplex claims this shampoo cleans and repairs your hair at the same time. Sounds good, right? But hold on one second. If this actually worked, wouldn't it be the only shampoo anyone ever needed? Wouldn't it make regular shampoos completely obsolete?
Yeah.
It would, but spoiler alert, this shampoo does not repair anything. So what's going on here is Olaplex is famous for their bond repair treatment, and for good reason. Their core product is absolutely amazing, can literally spin your hair back together. The science is crazy. But here's the thing, you can't build a $1 billion hair company with just one core product. There's not enough money in it. So Olaplex decided to expand their line. First, they started with more repair products that don't really add anything. And then they created shampoo, conditioner, and styling products, all with the same repair pitch. But in reality, only their core repair product is actually able to repair your hair, because these other products only have a little sprinkle of that repair ingredient, meaning they can't really repair. It's just for marketing. So if you aren't getting repair, what are you getting? You get a shampoo that makes your hair get greasy way faster than it should, because for whatever reason, they decided to make this way too heavy. So if you use it, you have to wash way more often, which means way more moisture is stripped from your hair, dryness, brittleness, breakage. You remember the deal. Don't fall for this money grab. Go straight to the actual bond repair treatment if you need to repair, because it's amazing. Even though there's some others that I do like a little bit more. All right, if you're still trying to find the perfect product matches for your hair type, check out my recommended product list. It has a hair type quiz to help you find your shampoo soulmate and complete the training routine that's right for your hair. Stay safe out there, rebels. Have a good one.